Hey everyone! So I've had this idea to create a little nature and animal themed booklet. Those who know me know that I'm a huge animal lover and get inspired by all things nature. I wanted it to have a vintage style aesthetic with muted colors, with lots and lots of layers, and embellished with pretty ephemera. So I grabbed a bunch of my usual supplies, some collage papers, my favorite stamps and stencils, and I also prepared lots of different floral motifs which I painted with gouache and then cut out. Now, this is a personal project and I'll be doing a lot of heartfelt journaling as well. So this video is more a demonstration rather than a tutorial. But it's quite self-explanatory and you're welcome to recreate your own version. Just keep in mind that this takes a while, probably a weekend to complete. Anyway, I am so pleased with how it turned out.